Snack Attack! Get ready for flavorful fun with Sandy Snax-a-Lot from VTech. Snack time is full of surprises. Watch this adorable amphibian chow down or spit out all sorts of unique foods.
Tastes great! So sour! Is it a lemon? Too spicy! Ugh, I don't feel so good. Can you pet my head? I am a walking fish. I love food and I am hungry. I am ready for a snack. Axolotl is my name. Can I have some pink ice cream?
Snack time may come and go, but this axolotl is ready to play any time of the day. Eat up with Sandy Snax-a-Lot from VTech.